Hello, welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name is Elliot Danson and I will take you on a short guided tour of this Audi A1 Sportback. It's finished in Python yellow, and as you can see from the front, you get your LED headlights. You've got your 18-inch 7-spoke diamond cut wheels and your S-Line badging. And this has also got contrast roof and privacy glass. As we go to the back of the car, you can see that it's 35 TSFI, so it's a petrol, and it's also got 150 PS. So take a quick look in the boot. You can see you get good space considering this is an A1. Take a quick look inside the car. You do get quite a lot in this car, so you've got your touchscreen AMI system, you've got aircon, you've got your S-tronic gearbox, which is automatic, you've got your multifunctional steering wheel, and this does control Audi's virtual cockpit. You've also got lane assist and cruise control underneath. If you want any more information on this Audi A1, please give me a call, Elliot Danson, on 07540 130 713, or email me at e.danson@blackburn.audi.co.uk and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.